Sıfırdan 2'ye x karenin integralini al.
The integral of x squared with respect to x is given by the formula integral x squared dx equals x cubed 3 plus c. Now, we need to find the value of this integral when the limits of integration are x equals 0 and x equals 2. First, calculate the value of the integral at x equals 2. Integral from 0 to 2x squared dx equals x cubed 3 plus c. From 0 to 2. Evaluate the integral at x equals 2. 2 to the power of 3. 3 plus c equals 8/3 plus c. Now, calculate the value of the integral at x equals 0. Integral from 0 to 2x squared dx equals x cubed 3 plus c. From 0 to 2. Evaluate the integral at x equals 0. 0 to the power of 3. 3 plus c equals c. To find the value of the integral, we need to subtract the value of the integral at x equals 0 from the value of the integral at x equals 2. 8/3 plus c. c equals 8/3. So, the value of the integral is 8.
2020 yılında Nobel Kimya Ödülünü kim aldı?
The Nobel Prizes are annual international awards bestowed in several categories, including chemistry. The year is 2020. So we're looking for the laureate in chemistry for that year. As of the time of writing this answer, October 2022, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the year 2020 has been awarded to Emmanuelle Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna. They were recognized for the development of a method for genome editing. So, the answer is Emmanuelle Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020.
Ekonomideki büyük buhran olayını anlat.
The Great Depression was a severe worldwide economic downturn that lasted from 1929 to 1939. Here's a brief description of how it affected the economy. 1. Stock market crash. The Great Depression began with the stock market crash on October 29, 1929, also known as Black Tuesday. This event led to a massive loss of wealth and a significant decline in consumer.
Zahit Arf hakkında bilgi ver.
Cahit Arf, 1 Aralık 1910'da İstanbul'da doğan Türk matematikçidir. Sayı teorisi alanına, özellikle Diophantine denklemlerine ve sürekli kesirlere yaptığı katkılarla tanınır. Arf, İstanbul'daki Galatasaray Lisesi'nde okudu ve daha sonra 1933'te mühendislik diplomasını aldı. İstanbul Teknik Üniversitesi'nde okudu.
Erzurum hakkında bilgi ver.
Erzurum Türkiye'nin doğusunda yer alan bir şehirdir. Erzurum ilinin idari merkezi ve Doğu Anadolu bölgesinin 3. büyük şehridir. Erzurum, deniz seviyesinden yaklaşık 1980 metre, 6500 feet, yükseklikte yer alır ve bu da onu Türkiye'nin en yüksek